Good morning. This is Jacob Melton here in the Southern Michigan Weather Center with your forecast update for Tuesday, December 3rd, 2024. Our Monday featured another round of lake effect snow, which was impactful for some of our areas, especially closer to the lakeshore you were, which brought several inches of new snow accumulation, with some localized areas even exceeding a foot of new snow. And it also brought treacherous travel conditions, especially in southwest lower and in northern lower where the heaviest snow fell. And while we do expect the lake effect to continue, at least for the morning hours, later today we do expect it to taper off some. But the reprieve will not last long, as a clipper system moving in tonight into the day on Wednesday will end up bringing a renewed threat for lake effect snow heading towards Wednesday night into the day on Thursday. We will discuss those details in today's forecast update. Taking a look now at our Futurecast model, this is the HRRR model, also known as the High Resolution Rapid Refresh model, which has done relatively well the last 2 days with the lake effect snow across the area. Starting off at 7 o'clock this morning, as you can see, the lake effect is still lingering around, especially closer to the lakeshore. The winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings that we have in place do expire at 7 o'clock this morning for our lakeshore areas. So I will not rule out some lingering snow during the morning hours. As we head later into the morning and into the afternoon hours, I do expect the lake effect snow to taper off. There may still be some isolated activity ongoing Tuesday afternoon, but I do not expect anything major in terms of accumulation during that time. Just likely some nuisance snowflakes still ongoing at that time. As we head into Tuesday evening and especially overnight into early Wednesday morning, our clipper system will begin to make its way into the region, bringing some snow, especially the further north you are. And as this model is depicting, I would not be surprised to see some rain try to mix in the further south you are. And that will be the general theme for our Wednesday. Some rain and snow showers will be possible during the day. And as we head towards the later afternoon into the evening hours, we will begin to transition back to snow across the area, as the winds will pick up as well on the backside of this clipper system. And that brings in our other concern Wednesday evening into Wednesday night and Thursday morning, which will be another round of lake effect snow, which could be potentially significant for some of us. And with the gusty winds and thing in place, that will create a twofold problem. The gusty winds will allow the lake effect snow bands to go well inland, as this model is trying to depict here. And that could bring potential travel problems well inland as well. Again, where the lake effect bands will exactly set up will be dependent on the wind direction and other factors, which the HRRR does generally do a good job of resolving, but as it's just a computer model simulation, the radar may not exactly look like this Wednesday evening. And the other point is the gusty winds could cause some visibility problems as well Wednesday evening, Wednesday night, into Thursday morning. Could cause some blowing snow concerns, which will further reduce visibility in combination with the potential heavy snowfall rates, causing potentially treacherous travel, especially Wednesday night and for the Thursday morning commute. Now, we will have updates on this throughout the day today on our social media platforms, so stay tuned for those posts on our social media and in our blog as well. Taking a look now at the next 7 days, once again, today we will be looking at some lingering lake effect snow showers. Again, they will be fairly isolated in nature by the afternoon hours. And at least during the day, especially after early this morning, any additional accumulations will be on the minor side. Later tonight into Wednesday morning, our clipper system arrives, which will bring rain and snow showers through the day on Wednesday. The winds will also begin to pick up as we head throughout the day as well. Beginning late Wednesday afternoon into the evening, we will transition back into snow, and the lake effect snow machine will begin to ramp up once again Wednesday evening into at least the morning hours of Thursday. And that could cause some potential travel issues, which we will be monitoring and we'll have updates on throughout the day today and into Wednesday morning on our social media platforms and on our blog. Thursday, the lake effect snow will be going, and it will also be windy, so again, be aware of that. Friday, we do seem to dry out with partly cloudy skies. And Friday night into Saturday, another little clipper system could bring some chances of snow showers. We're not expecting anything major out of that system at this time. We may dry out once again heading towards Sunday as of right now. But Monday, the chance of rain and snow showers will return. And I will say, towards next week, we are monitoring the potential for another system. Now, as relatively far away, it's too soon to really discuss impacts from this potential system. But we will be monitoring that, and we'll have updates, of course, as we get closer to that time frame. We will also see a general warming trend, especially heading into the latter half of the weekend into early next week ahead of that next potential system. This is Jacob Melton here in the Southern Michigan Weather Center, wishing you a great Tuesday.